Dear user, choosing any service on our platform is as easy as ordering food online. Once you sign up, please proceed to the Plan Set option at the left menu bar. Then click on the A+ Plan Set button at the top right to fill in your project information. Kindly add customer site details. Choose the job type, property type, residential type, and mounting type. If the project is a new build, please add the blueprints or building plans so our team can properly draft the building to scale. Pick yes or no if an MPU was sold with the job. Choose the appropriate module, inverter and battery, make and model, and enter the quantity. Choose a whole home or partial battery backup option. If there is an existing system, please add the module and inverter details. Verify the AHJ and utility fields. In the attachment section, please add the site survey photos. In the module layout, please add the proposal or roof layout that was sold. In the comment section, you can add any notes for the designer. Once you submit it, it will take you through the payment process. Once payment is complete, the project will be in the queue for design. Happy ordering!